table for my home essentials. They call it Ikea's lowest price table. Sandsberg. Very good multi-purpose table. So this comes in two boxes. One is like a tabletop, and another one is like under frame items separated in a two box items or two articles. So basically, let's start assembling this and let's see how it comes. So before starting on assembling the thing, let's see how the board is like. They say they shouldn't be knife cut or something. I'm using a scissor to remove the tape. So just removing all the tape, scissoring the tape. Then yeah. Yeah, here is a nice particle board, and only particle board is there in this box. And they call it as melamine finish board, and it is a particle board again. Yeah. Let's open another box. Okay, here is the frame, under frame for the table. Comes with three circular legs, or steel legs. Sorry, four legs and four frame under frame. Legs are in circular shape and frames are in square shape or triangle shape, square shape. And here is another box with all the materials that require to assemble this table. They have given a spanner and a nut or bolt and screws and with an Allen key. Yeah, everything is here. And comes in manual for the table assembly purpose. Basically, what it says like this. So the first thing is like first step is to assemble the frame, the four frames, and then assemble the four corners for the frame, and then third step is like screwing up all the frames and then screwing it with the legs Yeah, pretty simple I believe. So let's start assembling the. This is kind of an the aluminium material for the corners of the cable to hold them together, like edging on the frames. Yeah. So there are some screw groovings over here, like on each and every back of the table. There are screwings, like groovings for the screws to go inside or tighten the screws. I mean, like, on each side, on the front of the table we have through three groovings, and on the other side of the table we have two groovings. I have loosely tied it till now, as I have another fittings to do. Once I do the complete fitting, I can easily make it tight and take it apart. strong, steady and strong. It's made out of steel and powder coated very nicely, and finishing is absolutely stunning. Yeah. Fixtures are very attractive and easy to handle. And like not pretty difficult to assemble. That's the best part about Ikea. Assemble DIY yourself. Assembly. Yeah. It's a steady table. It's a multi-purpose table. Like, looks steady, not shaky, very steady and strong. Thank you for watching this. Yeah. Hope you like this assembly a table. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. Yeah. I do have a caddy chair already with me.